Hi, this is Daniel, and the guy that's going to be speaking in Spanish is Pablo. And then we're going to be talking about the elemental Lewis structure. And this represents the valence electrons as dots around the four sides of the element symbols. So it would look like this: 2, 3, and 4.
Esto representa los electrones de cada equilibrio, como un punto alrededor de los cuatro lados de los símbolos de elementos.
Okay, so we're gonna go to our periodic table, and then each of these families, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go over here, we 5, 6, 7, 8, and then each of these numbers represent how many dots they're gonna be around the square, and then each family represents how many dots the elements has.
Cada grupo de familia representa cuántos puntos tiene cada familia. Cada elemento.
Okay, for example, this is hydrogen, so we're gonna get rid of these numbers because this was for the first part. This is hydrogen, and it's in group number 1. So it would mean it needs 1 dot because it says number 1 right here.
Cada grupo, por ejemplo, hydrogen está en el grupo número 1 y tiene un punto.
But first, after we do that, know where to put the dot. We have to know where the dots go because you can't just put them wherever, because there's a special rule for this elemental Lewis structure.
Pero primero necesitamos saber dónde cada punto tiene que ir.
Okay, so we're gonna get rid of hydrogen and get another element that has all 8 dots, so we know where to put the all 8 dots. So for example, this will be helium, and then helium is in group number 8, so it would need 8 dots. But first, we don't know where those 8 dots go. So 1 is always gonna go here, and then right next to it will be number 5, and then on the right side will be 2, and right under number 2 will be 6, and at the bottom it will be 3, and right next to it will be 7, and then on the left it will be 4 and 8, and that's how it will look. Each of those dots has to be in that position. So this is how it looks after, without the numbers. So it will be 1, and then it will be 2, and then 3, and then 4. But remember, it has 8 dots, so we have to fill it in. And then since we're at 4, we have to put the 5th one, then the 6th one, the 7th one, and 8. So that's how it would look. If you don't have it like that, then it won't be right.
Este elemento HE, necesitamos saber cómo y dónde poner cada punto. Primero necesitamos saber los números 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y 8, y después necesitamos saber cómo hacerlo. Esta es una demostración cómo tiene que terminar al final.